I'm hugely excited. In fact, I feel very energized being on the stand. Walking through this enormous show, seeing all of the stands, but then arriving at home, our own stand, and seeing an incredible array of the architectures, but more importantly to see our team in Cisco uniform, very proudly identified as Cisco employees, engaging very successfully with our customers, was just hugely energizing. I was excited to see that.
It speaks volumes that the amount of people we've got attending the stand today, that we're getting that message out there to all levels of people through administrators, database administrators, IT managers, data center managers, and even the CIOs and the C-level executives that I've met with here today.
I think the next Cisco is going to be very exciting for all of us, and I think things are changing so quickly it's difficult to predict 2 or 3 years out. But I think it's absolutely clear that our move into things like collaboration will be increasingly important. Obviously video communication is becoming an incredibly powerful medium for us to work with people not only locally but worldwide. I also think the data center area is going to be extremely important. So lots of exciting stuff to do. You know, we have 5 priorities, but on my mind as I walk around today, video, all forms of collaboration, and data center seem to be very much up there. And of course, without a really strong infrastructure, without borderless networking, neither of those two things are going to work very well.
Where Cisco is mainly known for to deliver their products to create the internet, we're actually at the end users' homes where we actually consume the internet. For us it's important to meet our customers, where we sell our products to every day, and to meet our retailers who are selling our products in the Middle East region.
As a leader in routing and switching with the core technologies, it's great to show this at Gitex', to have everybody experience the technologies that we offer at Cisco, as well as the video technologies that we're displaying on the stand.
We'll see more consumer products where we will move more and more into the direction of the software solutions, where we'll deliver more towards these devices like the iPads and the iPhone solutions, where you can configure devices from the mobile part. And we'll see more of those. You will see more and more IP coming into the living room. And actually what happens is that the iPad and the iPhone, they actually take over the place of the traditional media players. Where you would have an extra box connected to your TV, now you would only have an iPad or an iPhone or an Android phone where you push content over your IP wireless network in your home to your TV.
Video is only going to run successfully, both for individuals in the home, for organizations, but also for nations, if the core network is really, really strong.
So let's say you have an instructor or you have students on one end, and you have either an instructor or students on the other end. They can actually communicate together over video using our technology and share the content over the smart board.
The next Cisco is looking really good. I'm really excited about the next Cisco because we started this initiative a few months ago, and it's amazing the pace of changes that we're seeing, and all for the good. This is what excites me about the future. So we are becoming much more agile, much faster in the way we do things. We have a lot more flexibility to take our own decisions and to make the decisions that count and that will enable us to serve our customers better.
We will have more than 7 billion new devices connected to the internet by 2015. And this is a large number of devices, and the network will have to adapt to this new additional market transition. The other market transition is the video. There is a huge demand of video today that is streaming on our networks that will change the behavior of our networks. The third market transition, which is very important, is the collaboration between the workforce. Today, most of the organizations are built in silos, different departments, sales department, HR department, and so on. Now, these borders or these silos need to talk with each other, and plus you need to have your partners, customers are able to communicate with you.
And here I'm connected to my colleagues, which is, hi Sanjay. So Sanjay is sitting here. I'm connected to about 4 conference rooms at Gitex'. As you can see, nothing docked. It's all wireless, high definition video. I can start a chat session with them, and I can present from here, share with them my presentation. So a true mobile collaboration device.
The Gitex team was more of a cloud, and we wanted to display and showcase how Cisco enables the cloud and in our all pillars in terms of architectural play, from the borderless network, from the collaboration, from the data center, and how do we enable it.
The reason we say unified computing system is because it integrates networking, it integrates storage, it integrates server in a whole solution.
Cisco Telepresence powers the new way of working where everyone, everywhere can be more productive through our face-to-face collaboration. With our unified architecture, any-to-any interoperability, seamless, easy-to-use system, we can scale your video capability not only within the organization, but also between business to business.
And I would like to thank that entire team from the marketing, from the sales, from the system engineers, from our leadership, really have supported us in all aspects. So it's a team effort, and it's not an individual, it's not about two, it's about a whole team that put together this show.
I'd like to say an enormous thank you to everybody, because these things don't just happen. I recognise that a fantastic amount of work goes in over an extended period of time to build something like this. It's not just the week that we actually execute on delivering the show, it's the build up and the strip down afterwards. Everybody's put a fantastic amount of energy in, and I want to say a huge thank you. This year's been the first year we've been here for a while, and it's been great. I think next year could be even better.
What a success Gitex was for Cisco. From the opening ceremony, where Sheikh Mohammed, the ruler of Dubai, and the Prime Minister of the UAE visited the Cisco stand for the first time. To the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi's son, Sheikh Khalifa, the head of the Security Council, coming to listen to more about security from Cisco. To ministers being demonstrated to about our latest technologies, and to CIOs and to CXOs understanding more about Cisco's 5 priorities and the technologies coming alive as demonstrations on our stand. Customers, partners' interest was infectious, and the excitement could be felt by all that participated at our stand. In addition to our participation through our area, we also participated in our partners and ecosystem partners exhibitions. We demonstrated our retail solutions on the Do stand, we demonstrated our video solutions on the Etisalat stand, and we showed our innovation in data center and virtualization on EMC, VMware and Citrix stands, all of which demonstrates that the power of Cisco lies in the teaming between us as a company and our broader partners. In addition to the technology components of Gitex', we also participated in the Leadership Summit, and we were very fortunate this year to have our President, Chris Dedicoat, be the keynote speaker at the Leadership Summit, where he shared his thoughts on innovation and productivity, which was very well received by 200 to 300 CXOs across Middle East, North Africa. To make such an event a success, it takes a real One Cisco team effort, and I really want to thank all of you that visited and participated in Gitex'. In particular, every team needs a few leaders, and I'd really like to make a special thank you to our marketing team, to our engineering team and to our sales team who came together to make sure we had the platform for success at Gitex'.